Unit 2. The moon was a circle. Part 1. Listen and read.
Kareem said,
Today, our math lesson was about shapes. Last night, the moon was the shape of a circle. Look, the sun is the shape of a circle.
Samira said, Look at the clock. It is a circle too. Kareem said,
Here are my ruler and my school books. They are rectangles. They have 2 long sides and 2 short sides.
Samira said, Yes, and look, Dad's newspaper is a rectangle, and our cake was a rectangle too. Kareem said,
A square has 4 equal sides. This stamp is a square.
Samira said, This picture is a square. Mom said,
My watch is a square too.
Kareem said,
Look, my tent is a triangle. I was in my tent yesterday afternoon.
Samira said, Yes, and look at your football. What are the shapes on it? Kareem said,
They are hexagons. There are lots of shapes all around us every day. Part 2. Listen and say. There are 5 different shapes. Name each shape and describe how many sides it has. For example, shape number 1.
Square. It is a square. A square has 4 equal sides.
Now describe each shape. Number 2.
Triangle.
Number 3.
Rectangle.
Number 4.
Circle.
Number 5.
Hexagon.
Part 3. Listen and learn. We can build different things using shapes. Example number 1.
With 6 equal squares, we can build a box.
Example number 2.
With 4 equal squares and 1 big square with 2 small triangles, we can build a house.
Example number 3.
With a rectangle, 2 squares, and 2 triangles, we can build a tent.
Part 4. Listen and answer. Number 1. This plant was near a river, on the side of a hill. You can see that the leaves are tall triangles. Number 2. A lot of small squares makes this mosaic. The picture is of a beautiful horse and it is very old. Number 3. People use trees for wood. There are circles in the tree. They show us how old the tree is. Number 4. You can see these in the countryside. There is something sweet and delicious in the hexagons. It is honey.
Now, answer the following questions. Number 1. Was the plant near the sea? Number 2. What do the small squares make? Number 3. What do the circles in a tree show? Number 4. Why do people use trees? Number 5. Are the leaves on the plant long rectangles? Number 6. Which shape has something sweet in it that you can eat? Number 7. What shapes can you see in your classroom?
Part 5. Listen and say. Listen to the sound S. S. Sun is written with an S. Lesson is written with 2 S's. Circle is written with a C. Castle is written with an S and a silent T. Part 6. Talk about you. Part 6. Talk about you. Use the following words in a sentence. For example, number 1, grade 4, grade 5.
I was in grade 4, but now I am in grade 5.
Number 2, my teacher. Number 3, 10, 11, 12. Part 7. Listen and repeat. All around us we can see shapes. How many shapes can you see? Rectangles are usually where I look. They make a postcard, a ruler, or a book. Look, there are circles inside that tree. Inside my orange, there are triangles that I see. Squares make a box, a scarf, and a window. Bees make honey in hexagons, I know. All around us, we can see shapes. How many shapes can you see?